Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your word art that you created within a Prezi to tell us more about why you believe the words you chose really describe your character from the book. So first you're going to need to go to Prezi.com and you're going to need to make an account. The accounts are free, so that is great. And once you are in, you're going to press New Presentation. So when you get new presentation, there are all sorts of different templates you can choose from. Typically, I'd say let's start from a blank one because that just gives you more freedom. But the templates also have a lot of great things to offer, and you can change the background image. So using a template really does make sense in this case. When you choose a template, you'll want something that's simple because it makes it easier for you to revise this template. So anything that's more simple as far as the circles and the dots go is a good choice. I like this template, so I'm going to choose it. What's really great too is whenever you choose it, it will give you the opportunity to see what it looks like before you say yes, choose it. So like when I zoom in, this is what's here. You can change all of this, so don't get stressed about that. So once you've decided, you say use this template, and you title it, and you have to share with anyone on the web because we're not paying for an account. So after that, you say choose, and it will go there. As soon as it's ready, it'll pop you into your template. And the first thing it's going to do for you is tell you that you have the opportunity to change your background, which is great. So what I did is I went to my word art and I did take a screenshot. A little piece of advice, you're going to want to take a screenshot of like as much horizontal as possible because it's going to zoom in like crazy. So just know that. So you want to make sure you get the image that you want to upload and make sure that you try and get it to the proper shape. So you say upload image and you'll see what I mean in just a second. And so obviously I have more of that border there, but the reasoning is because see, it zooms in like crazy, like I talked about. So the whole point of this Prezi is that you're going to have 5 words that are highlighted, the words that you believe are most important to identify your character. So once you, those words are already in here, so you don't have to choose those, and that's great. Once you're ready to deal with those words, what you can do is take these topics and you can take them and you can make them transparent. So right now I have a fill color of blue, but if I make it completely opaque, there's no fill color. Now, currently there's also no border, and I'd like there to be a border, so I'd give it thick. Then you can also say, okay, I want this to be big enough to cover the whole word, and I want to put it over the word tired. Okay, so now we're going to be zooming in on tired when we're ready to do topic 1. And then, of course, you can also revise which word, what your word says, so you can even make it say tired again if you want. Or you can just delete the word entirely because that's going to help you to know what's there. Now, when I did that, I deleted the whole circle, which we don't want to do. So I'm going to press Command Z, and voila, it's back. So whenever you're ready to, you can zoom in. And as you can see, when you zoom in, automatically there's a place for pictures you can put, subtopic 1 and subtopic 2. Now, you are required to have either a picture or a video with each of your words and a paragraph for Mrs. D. Now, the paragraph is you're going to have a little extra time for in language arts, but a paragraph, in case you're forgetting, is 5 to 8 sentences that's going to tell us why that word is such a great word to describe your character. Your pictures or videos that correlate with that word should help us better understand that. And so please make sure that you choose those things wisely. As you can see currently, there's places for 4 things. You may not want 4 things, so anything you don't want, you can delete. And so you can just click on it and press delete, and that'll go away, okay? And so that's an easy way to do that. If you want them to come back, press Command Z, it comes right back. If I click on subtopic 1 and subtopic 2, if I zoom in on them, you can see that there's even room for more topics, okay? You may not want those, so again, you might have to go through and delete those, and that's completely fine. As soon as you're ready to see your whole image again, press zoom out. Now, if you don't go in and delete all those subtopics, when you go through your presentation, they'll all be there. So do know that you have to check it out and see what's there, delete what you don't want. There is so much freedom to designing this. You can mess with your color, you can revise the way everything looks. So it's really pretty fun what you're capable of doing. So make sure that you take advantage of the creativity that's here. As you can see, your connections are already there, which means the animation is already done, which is why the template is helpful. So again, a friendly reminder, you're going to have 5 words that you highlight. Each word's going to have a picture or a video to correlate with the word, and you'll be writing a paragraph with it. If you do more for each word, kudos to you, but it's not required. It might be important for me to tell you how you can go about inserting those pictures or videos. So say that you wanted to come here and you wanted to insert a picture of your own. You can do that with image, okay? And so again, same thing. You can choose one of the images that's already here, search a free image off of Google there, or you can upload an image that you have somewhere in your computer, because this is a very good image for what we're doing. And so your image will go right in to where you want it. So make sure that you are placing what you want within your document. Also, if you wanted to put a video, again, you can find that in Insert. Notice there's lots of options: shapes, arrows, lines, audio, video, charts, graphs, right? So animation. So you can do lots of different things there. So if you want to do a video, you can get one straight from YouTube. Okay, so if you have a great TED Talk, a video that you really like put to describe your word, make sure you put that in there. That's fantastic. You can also animate, so that if you wanted to zoom in on your video even farther, you can. So those are all options that you can do. And so, for example, let's say that I wanted to do this. I would say insert animation and come over here, and then I would be able to say zoom, add zoom area, and we would put it right over the area that we want. So these are options for you to help make your presentation more precise, specifically to what you want, okay? And so hopefully you have fun and you are creative, and I look forward to seeing how you do this today. In order to make it so I can see what you do today, you need to do a couple things. One, you can add me as a collaborator, which is also great for you to know in the future. Just like on anything Google, you can put a name or email address in there and can choose can edit, can comment, or can present. Please give me either editing or commenting rights if you add me as a collaborator. Also, just like normal, you can also make a link. So you do have to put something here, and then when you are ready, you say create link, and then you can share that link on the Google Classroom assignment. You must turn this in today to receive credit. It's okay if it's not done. Like I said, I know you'll be writing the paragraphs elsewhere, but I want to see the pictures and the videos and the topics for your paragraphs to make sure that you are ready to succeed with this Prezi. So good luck, have fun, be creative, and make a beautiful presentation.